everybody, I'm going to show you this hair tutorial today, and it's a French twist for long hair. We have our brand new hair clips that we just released, and we're going to use these. These are great for long hair, and they're really wide and they're long, so it works perfect. So let's hop right in. Okay, we're going to do the first casual hairstyle. It's going to be a French twist. Malia's hair is very long, and I would say it's like medium thickness. It's very similar to mine. We're using one of our new hair clips that are coming soon. This is a really awesome hair clip for thick hair because it's wide and it's long. It's not really skinny, made for shorter hair. So I really like that. Even if you have shorter hair, it'll work perfect, but it's really hard to find long clips for long hair. So what I'm gonna do is, this is a really easy hair tutorial that I've been doing a lot lately. All you do is kind of messy. It's more of a messier style. I'm definitely into that like effortless look, so it's not so perfect these days. But what we're gonna do is, Malia has like leftover curls in her hair. How you can do it with long hair and make it look like that kind of messier French twist is kind of twist it. What you're gonna do is twist it up, and then you're gonna wrap the top of it around in a bun of some kind, just to kind of get your base. Keep wrapping. Like I said, her hair is really long. And then your ends are gonna kind of flow over. You don't want your base to come above your head because you want it to frame your face out a little bit. So you're gonna wrap it around like that, and then we're gonna pin the base, and then we'll add the clip at the end. So I'm just gonna pin this up. And we're just using regular bobby pins. We're gonna finish it with the Aussie Instant Freeze, or you can finish it with a lighter hairspray. I use this Nexus comb through, but you can use whatever, as long as it's like a lighter, mistier hairspray. Okay, so we're just using some bigger bobby pins to secure the base of it. And you can see we let this out because we want to kind of pin this up to make it look a little more messier. I'm loving hair clips right now. It's an in thing for sure. And then we're gonna kind of pin that in. And this hair clip's amazing because it's almost like it could probably kill somebody if you wanted it to. It has really strong claws to it, so I love that. And then we wanted to make this where you wouldn't have to use heat. Like I said, we're using extra like leftover curls. But if you have like little baby hairs or whatever around your face that you want to frame out, you could curl those and make it look a little more loose around your face. But this is the look. We also are collaborating with a really fun Instagram blogger, influencer girl, and she's gonna show us a more detailed hair tutorial of this style. But look how pretty this is. You wanna turn around? And it's kind of just, again, effortless. You don't want your bun to go above the top of your head, but this is great for casual Dainty Jewell's look. And I think it's easy. And it feels secure, right? That clip makes it really secure. So that's the look. You want to turn around and show the front? It's kind of just like a effortless, loose French twist. I do this a lot if I'm like running out with Monty because I don't have to really spend a lot of time and fix my hair because I know it's not going to stay up anyways.